Hello, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to review the video that I just saw, a teaching video. It was an online class of around 9-10 students, I think. It was sociology, and they were learning about subculture and counterculture. The questions that I've been asked to review today are: number 1, how did the teacher deviate from the lesson plan? So first of all, like I said, it was about subculture and counterculture. However, they focused solely on subculture. The reason for this, so what caused the teacher to deviate from the plan? The children or the students were really enjoying talking about subculture. The research time took quite a long time, and it was an 18-minute class, 2 18-minute classes, but I saw 16 minutes of that class. So we could have done it at the start or the beginning of lesson 1 or 2. Because it was like half of lesson 1 and half of lesson 2. I thought that was a bit of a odd way to film the video. But for teaching, I think it's absolutely fine. So yeah, it's because they were involved and they were researching and really involved in it. Would I make similar deviations in my classroom? I would, definitely. So if I find that students are communicating, talking, understanding, absorbing the knowledge of the topic, I would spend more time on it. And I think that's part of being a teacher and part of lesson planning, is that you have that plan, but you have that plan so then you can make the next step. You can do like A, B, C, plan A or B or C in your head. And you've got a plan, but then you've got the other plans that are like, okay, what can I do next if this fails? What am I going to do next? You're always on the ball. How would you improve or adapt this lesson to meet the needs of the students? So I did notice in the video that none of the students had their cameras on. It's probably, they did have pictures of them, but I think in a sociology class, when you're talking about subculture and counterculture, you should have the video on. We're talking about people and how people are, how people react. You could have gone down so many open questions, and you could have done critical thinking with looking at each other about like parts of the class, what things are similar, what things are different about people. And I think that would have made the class more less dry and more personal for them students. So I would do that, and I think it would improve the lesson a lot, and I think it would adapt and it would meet the needs of the students because they would feel it's more personalized. How did the teacher deviate from the lesson plan? Well, we've already been over that question, so I guess that's the end of that for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you again another time. Goodbye.